Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to talk about wealth step by step. Guys, this thing is absolutely exponentially exploding. The numbers are increasing every single day. We want you to come along with us for the ride. We'll talk about it on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas. I'm your work at home friend. And guys, we're going to talk about wealth step by step. We're going to talk about the updates. My team leader has given me some instructions to give you some updates to what we're doing with the system and how we're updating and how we're going to move forward. How we're going to create 4 to 5 figure monthly income with this system. Now guys, in the meanwhile, I do want to pay close attention. Some of y'all have been asking about the Millionaire mailer and the updates that we're going on here. Now, I did a video, well, we're going to talk about Mary Beth's video in just a second, but I did a video here about a week ago on some updates to the Millionaire mailer. And if you want to find out some updates to the Millionaire mailer, guys, we've got the new flyer. Come over to the channel and check it out. Right here I did, and I'm going to do some more updates. In the meanwhile, let me tell you what, folks, this Millionaire mailer program is just exponentially, increasing. We're saying that this is one of the top 3 best mail order programs, affiliate marketing programs in the country today. I am almost, between now and August 15th, we're going to see what happens. I'm almost ready to say it's in the top 1 or 2 number 1 rated mail order programs in the country today. That's a strong statement. Now, if you don't believe me, or if you want to, Timothy, I don't agree with you, contact me and let me know. And we'll go from there. This thing is absolutely on a tear. And folks, it will, I believe, run for hopefully the next 10, 15 years, maybe 20. We don't know. And we're on a tear. It shows no signs slowing down. We're picking up so much steam. Guys, I'm thinking about getting another person to come help us process orders. We are collecting the 25, the 50, $100 payments on a daily basis. We're collecting the 250s, $500 payments, folks. Are you hearing me? On a consistent basis. And look at this. Look at what Mary Beth had working with here. Just Google the Millionaire mailer. Mary Beth has collected 2 Millionaire mailer payments and several payments in just the span of a day or two. Folks, this is incredible to me. I could not be more excited about what we've got going on with the Millionaire mailer. We've got the new flyer, and I'm going to talk about the Millionaire mailer in detail. But in the meanwhile, guys, check out one of these videos that Mary Beth just did. As I record this video, Mary Beth did another $1,000 day with the Millionaire mailers proof. Check out that, guys. She has the resources. She has the resources there available. The mailing list that is recommended. The mailing co-op, which is with the my advertising, cover letters, guys. Postcards are discussed. The whole 9 yards. Everything you need to know is in that video. All right, guys. I'll talk about the Millionaire mailer in another video, but check out that video, guys, of some of Mary Beth's videos. Just absolutely incredible information here. We're going to look at this new update with the web step by step here, guys. This thing is on a tear. And let me tell you what, folks, multiple streams of income. You got to be involved with multiple streams, not just one opportunity. You need some opportunity that is going to create big paydays like the Millionaire mailer. You're going to need those big payments to put into your marketing. You're going to need those $500 days. You're going to need those $100 payments to help exponentially grow all your businesses, not only the Millionaire mailer, but other businesses. While you're building, we're talking about a long-term income, having multiple streams of income. Guys, that's why I build several streams of income. Create the lifestyle. Go where you want to go. Do what you want to do. Stay as long as you want to stay. Now, folks, not having to have a boss. Go to the mountains when you want to go to the mountains. Go to the beach. Stay as long as you want to stay. You can operate off your iPhone or your computer, your laptop. Folks, that's the life to live. And you owe it to you and your family. Folks, this is the new norm. From here on out, entrepreneurship is this is the way it's going to be. And I'm telling you, folks, We are only about 2% of the population. The rest of them are working jobs or waiting for, income from other places. But folks, entrepreneurship, being an entrepreneur is absolutely where it's at. Folks, you can make more in one day than you can make all week on a job. It is possible. You can make more in 1 week than you make all month. Folks, I'm telling you, it is, what's the word to use? Extraordinary as to what can happen for you in these programs. It's beyond mind-boggling. Okay, let's talk about the updates with the Wealth Step-by-Step program. I get on a kick, guys. This stuff is incredible, and I could not be more excited. We're getting ready to go in the busiest times of the year, and you mail postcards, you mail flyers, you send emails out, you tell somebody, you invite them to a call, you put it in front of people. And I'm telling you what, the more people you expose to your opportunity, don't twist their arms, you are in the lead generation business. Can you mail a postcard? You never have to talk to anybody unless you want to. Can you mail a postcard? Folks, the postcards will do the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. When people call you, 98% of them just ready to sign up. They may have 1 or 2 questions, but they're ready to go. They've looked it over. They just want to know that you're a real person and do that. Can I get some help after I join? Folks, let me show you with the Wealth Step-by-Step. Look at this postcard that Greg designed. This thing's incredible. Have you ever made any money in a home-based business before? Get ready. You will now. You will now. We have placed a simple, proven postcard system that is creating tons of spillover within our group. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Lock in your position today. Folks, that postcard will cause people to move. People will resonate with this postcard, and it's so true. And Jose was telling me yesterday, don't wait on spillover, guys. Just continue to mail. And our postcard here is tested and proven to work. Tested and proven to sign people up. Folks, I've got people signing up utilizing these postcards, and I never talked to them. Folks, this is exciting. We're going to look at the other side of this postcard. Then we're going to go to the website. There's some updates to the website. Greg even sent us an email. I want to show you the email that we just got. Look at the other side of this postcard. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Stop building your residual income. I'm going to show you what potentially can happen for you. Smash the like button. Hit the like button. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. If you appreciate it, it will help rank this video higher. I really would appreciate it, guys. Please. And thank you for viewing the video. I really appreciate that. Okay. Easily build yourself a 4 to 5 figure monthly income from the comfort of your home using our postcard system. Folks, I tell you what, it's like I am so excited about this postcard. I want to mail it every single day. If I don't mail but 20 a day. Folks, I'm trying to mail 50 to 100 a day of this postcard until I get to my goal. I am that serious about this system. There's no cold calling, no chasing family and friends, no personal selling, no explaining, no website to build, no meetings to attend, no need to personally talk to anybody, just mail a postcard. Folks, and then what's going to happen? They're going to go to this mind-blowing presentation, yoursecretplantowealth.com. Yoursecretplantowealth.com. It's going to be our team website. We're going to go over there. I'm going to show you what the update Greg just put in, a opt-in form that you got to take a look at as a member joins, folks. Your website will go right here. Now, they'll check out the team website, but when they go to sign up, they have to go through your personal link, which will be on your postcard. It will be printed on your postcard, and they sign up with you, and you get credit for the sale. Let's walk over here to yoursecretplantowealth.com. Here it is. Yoursecretplantowealth.com. When you key it in, this is what will come up. Watch this. Let's go back here. All right. Let's put your secret plan. It should be your secret. Okay, here we go. All right, we got this, guys. We've got this. Look at this. We've got an opt-in form. All right, so you never miss an update. Your name, we want you to put your name and your email address, and then you subscribe. Then you will never miss an update. When we get updates to the system, things you need to know about wealth step by step, things that will keep you informed, things that will help you make more money, folks, you will get an email from our team leader. And the things that you need to know will be in that email. We're going to show you one of those emails. I'm going to give you an update of what Greg has sent out to us. Guys, click on this X, and then you'll be able to walk around this right here. What I want you to do, guys, when you get a chance, watch this video. Watch this entire presentation, guys. This thing, folks, you can be done watching this thing in less than 30 minutes. The whole website, you can get over it. It don't take a long time. Play the video. Okay, what we have here, we have 2 videos introducing you to the program, and then you have another 3x10 force matrix video. It shows you the possibility of what can happen in a force matrix. Supposed you get $4 per person and every person in your downline. I am going to show you the power of that in just a second. This is incredible to me. Watch this. This is what can happen to you and for you in your downline. Folks, this should fire you up. If you really understand compensation plan, you can lose sleep over this tonight. And our product, probiotics, our product, I'm going to talk about our product in another video more in detail. You get a bottle of probiotics. Guys, I'm on that product. I love it. It is helping me. I'm going to leave it like that, but probiotics. And you can go also over here. Where is that thing at? I'll show you. Well, I'll show you in just a minute where to find out information about the product. But right here, guys, 3 people on your team, it goes to 9 people. Level 3, 27. Level 3 is where some of our leaders are at and getting to. Now, what happens, guys? Look, when you start reaching between 27 and 81 people, your team is going to take on a life of itself. Your team will begin to duplicate almost without further action from you. But I know you ain't going to want to stop there. Folks, look at what's going to happen. You're going to start getting into weeks down, later on down the road, within a month into the program, maybe 2 months. You get to 81 people. You're going to start waking up, and then you're going to see months. Your team's going to grow 200 people, 300 people, 400 people. And folks, look at this. 243 people on your team. Folks, you got a $1,400 per month income. Can that make a difference in you and your family? Folks, what could happen? What could happen when your income, you pick up 700 people on your team? You're talking about $4,000 a month every single month. Folks, this is a dream opportunity. Nobody really knows about it. We could take this thing to other countries. What could we do with this program? Are you excited? Are you fired up? 2,100 people in the team, guys, you max out. I don't know if that's as maxed out, but you're at 13,000, potentially $116 per month. You do the math. That's exact math. That's what you could potentially make, guys. This is powerful. Review this video, guys. Go through the compensation plan. If you're not signed up, get signed up right now as of this video. This is a call to action. The link will be below the video. Here is the email that we got from Greg today. This was a news update, your secret plan to wealth, latest update. Good evening, team. Wanted to shoot you a short email to bring you up to speed on the exciting things that are happening. First, our group is starting to grow each and every day. Our team postcards are converting people from right to left. If you haven't ordered your postcards, you need to do so ASAP. Many of you have experienced spillover in your organization. Folks, I am getting spillover in my organization. I'm in Greg's organization and I'm in Jose's organization. And Greg's our team leader. Jose's my team leader. And guys, this is incredible information here. Secondly, we are preparing to organize a group conference calls. Guys, we're going to be doing conference calls here within the next week or two. And this is going to be exciting. We're going to have the ability to put postcards in the home business advertiser. I need y'all to know that. And thirdly, unequivocally, undeniably, folks, if you want to change the direction of your finances and help improve the quality of your family life, it's time to do what is necessary to make the change. Special announcement, guys. This is a game changer. Watch this. You can purchase 1,000 5x7 postcards, and for a limited time, you will get 1,000 5x7 postcards for absolutely free. Game changer. Folks, you got to get them today. Order those things. Here is the order form right here. I'll put the link below the video. Order them right now. You're going to get 2,000 postcards for the price of one. Folks, this is exciting. Our postcards are exclusive to our team only. Outside of our team, you cannot use it. You got to be on this team. Folks, contact your sponsor first, and if you need any help, Greg's always available, but I would prefer, because Greg's getting very busy, try to reach out to your direct sponsor first before contacting Greg. If you just cannot reach anybody else, Greg will take your call or your email. He will respond to you. Folks, this is exciting times. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Let's get involved. Here is the order form, guys. 1,000 for 120 right now for a limited time to August 1st. You're going to get 2,000 for 120. I'm ordering right now. Send them in to Greg. We'll go from there. I'm ordering stuff from Greg. Greg has the talent, guys, to develop such beautiful income producing postcards I have seen in my life. Just amazing. These postcards are proven to work, guys. Can you mail them? Can you remain consistent? Folks, if you can do that, no selling, no telling. This could be better than stock market. This could be better than Forex. Folks, I like Forex trading. I like stock options. But I'm telling you what, you want to lose some sleep at night, join those Forex programs and all those other little programs, and you'll have to worry about, well, is the stock market going to be up or down tomorrow? Or is my stock going to be flat, or is it going to rise, or whatever? Folks, something like this is set and forget. Mail that postcard and go to sleep and let people sign up. When you wake up in the morning, you can potentially see sign-ups come in your back office. Folks, Wealth Step by Step is going to be a game changer. Get involved today. Let's get you started. We've got multiple streams of income here, and we want you to win so big. It's going to be just an income-generating miracle. Folks, give it a thumbs up. Bye for now. Until the next video. We're going to see you at the top. Get ready. Conference calls are coming.